Welcome to this Takis tutorial for cake decorating. So first I start with some animal graham crackers and I put them into a little blender and I blended them until it was like a super fine dust. From there I added a super red gel food coloring and a super red Fondust. Blend it up again and you'll end up with this paste-like consistency. Then you want to put it on parchment paper on a baking sheet. And I baked mine for 10 minutes at 350 degrees or until yours comes out slightly crispy. Make sure to wear gloves because it's messy. And this is what it looks like after it came out of the oven. It has a crispy texture, and this is what you want. Break that off into pieces and put it back in your little blender. And then you're gonna blend that again until it's a super fine dust. And this is what it looks like. And to me, this looked exactly like Takis dust. Now for this next step, you're gonna wanna use gloves because it gets pretty messy. The next step is to take some red fondant, knead it, and then roll it pretty thin. And we're gonna cut it out into circles. I used a 2-inch circle cutter, but you can use any size that you'd like. I'll be using my edible glue available on my website, lhcakery.com. So you just want to start rolling it a little bit and then add some glue and make sure you roll it as tight as you can, being sure to glue the entire thing and just keep repeating on all of your fondant circles. I'm going to be using the same parchment that I baked on so that I don't waste any, and I'm brushing it with my edible glue. And then from there, I'm going to sprinkle on the Takis dust that we made. Try to cover as much of the red fondant as possible so that all you see is that Takis dust. And this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Just repeat that for all of your other rolled up Takis pieces.